In this real review of Email to Profits, which claims this is the fast way to get up and running online and it's never been shared to the public before, launching today, September 2nd, 2021 on Warrior Plus from Brandon Mace. Want something quick and simple? Just set and forget our email system with everything 100% done for you. We're going to jump inside the dashboard because I purchased this, and I'm going to show you exactly what this is and exactly what this isn't. But let's go back to this. Just set and forget our email system with everything 100% done for you. And the fact that Email to Profits is supposed to allow you to activate your email marketing empire without hard work, without techie stuff, without monthly fees, the old way versus the new way, which is you work hard or you hardly work. And the fact is they're solving your big problem, which is you need traffic to make money. Understand and remember that big problem. You need traffic to make money. That is probably the only thing on this sales page that is not an outright falsehood, or I'll just say lie. Solution, get an email list ASAP, and then they show you a few people here that you probably recognize that make money online. And yes, they do use email, but I promise you they do not use an email system like this. How to use Email Profits inside of the dashboard, the tutorial. It's a 5-minute, 17-second video that walks you through the dashboard and how this works. So we'll just walk through this. Click on the dashboard and it says, welcome to Email Profits. You can start building your email marketing list by clicking the button below. Click the button below, Google API key missing. Please add your Google custom search engine API key here. Want something quick and simple? Just set and forget our email system with everything 100% done for you. Activate your email marketing empire without working hard, without techie stuff. Your Google API key is missing, so I can't even start using the Email to Profits dashboard without clicking here first. Clicking here to set it up takes you to this screen to set up your account details, where you have to generate your Google API key. Watch this reference video to learn how to get your key. This takes you to YouTube, where you see a video for a product called ProfitMate. This is a product that was sold by this same vendor that does the exact same thing, and we're going to get in that in a second, exactly what this does. But again, this takes you to a different product on YouTube about how to set up your Google API key in Email to Profits, the product you just purchased, that they didn't even bother to set up a tutorial training video to show you. They just utilized an old video from an old product. So once you get that set up and you actually set up this Google API key, after watching this 3-minute video and going through this step by step and working through all the frustrations of the non-techie stuff that they claimed wasn't going to be an Email to Profits, then you'll be able to search emails. Once you do that, you click on Manage List, and the emails that you scrape, that is the emails that you search using the Google API key, will then be added to list. So what is email scraping? That is what this product does. It is email harvesting or scraping, which is the process of obtaining a list of email addresses using various methods. Typically, these are then used for bulk email or spam, which leads you to, people also ask, is email scraping legal? For starters, harvesting emails in this way is illegal in many countries, including the United States. In fact, the CAN-SPAM Act of 2003 specifically prohibits this practice. There's a very good reason professional marketers do not harvest email addresses through scraping. Now note, this other article, is email scraping legal, from Quora. It is entirely legal to scrape addresses from the website. On the other hand, it is illegal to send bulk commercial emails to those addresses. Make sure you understand the legal ramifications of doing this and if this is going to work. And if you don't take my word for it and Google's word for it, Neil Patel has a blog post over at neilpatel.com. Fewer than 24% of cold outreach emails get opened. That is what you're going to be doing here after you scrape the emails and then determine if it's legal or illegal to send emails from this bulk sender to these cold emails. Then what you get is fewer than 24% of cold outreach emails get opened. That means that more than 75% of your cold outreach emails aren't actually seen by real people. So your click-through rates, response rates are likely around 2 to 3% mark. Honestly, that is terrible. Again, honestly, that is terrible. Back to the Email to Profits dashboard. Again, after you've set up your Google API key and scraped the emails and you put them into the email list, then you'll come down to broadcast. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add a new broadcast. But wait, before you can actually send the emails, it looks like you haven't entered your SMTP details yet. If you don't know what SMTP is, that takes you back to Google to understand what an SMTP provider is. SMTP standing for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. You need a service provider so you can connect it to actually send your emails. You can see a list of the most popular ones here: smtp.com, Sendinblue, Mailgun, SendGrid, Amazon SES, Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, and Postmark, which brings you back here to clicking this button to add your details to set this up so this can actually send those cold outreach emails that you scraped from the internet, again, after you determined if that is legal or not, and you want to continue with the strategy. Then, after you set up the Google API key to search and scrape the emails, and then once you set up your SMTP provider to actually send the emails from inside of the dashboard, now you are actually getting to the meat of the product, which is the email templates, which is the done for you portion where they've written the emails for you, which is the second problem. You need to mail the list. Now you need to actually get emails out to these cold outreach emails that you scraped from the internet. And what they said here is they provide the solution. They will give you our copy and paste emails. Of course, they said they give you the autoresponder, but the autoresponder itself doesn't actually send the emails. You still need to set up the SMTP provider. Now, let's take a look at these copy and paste emails that they provided you. Again, that's under email templates inside of Email to Profits. And you can see that you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 templates. Let's go ahead and take a look at all 5 of these templates that they provided us. This is template number 1. Template number 1 subject: Money in the Bank Affiliate Marketing Training starts Thursday. So here's the deal about really making money online, or even in a traditional brick and mortar business for that matter. The real secret is to focus on activities that make money and avoid activities that don't. Seriously, have you ever heard insanity being defined as doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different outcome? That sentence there may resonate with you if you bought products like this in the past. Seriously, stop doing the same thing. Stop buying these types of products, because these types of products don't provide any value, don't provide you any real training, don't provide you the real tools that you need to build a real online business. It's pretty much the same principle. Back to focusing on the activities that make money. Most people work their butts off and sweat and toil in their business for years to discover those activities the hard way. It's the school of hard knocks. It's learning through experience. And this email goes on and on to read like this. And then they actually give you the template portion where it says, starting today, they're publishing a training course called Product Name. This means that if you are promoting this product from Paul Nichols and Anthony Mancuso, then you can use this email and you can insert the product name, and then you can insert your affiliate link. And then, of course, if it's Sunday, you can send this out saying Happy Sunday. Of course, it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Or if you're going to use this in an autoresponder where you don't know which day of the week it is, you might want to change that. And of course, you get 5 of these templates, and these are about affiliate marketing. One is about backlinks and traffic. The other one is tons of desperate buyers need this right now. And template 5 is about CPA, or cost per action. So those are the 5 templates that you get for your money. Of course, you can click here and you can add your own templates. Then you can move on to funnels. And then here's where you can actually build out your funnel by selecting Create Funnel, typing in the funnel name, and then creating the type of funnel page that you want to build: an opt-in page, a sales page, or a membership page. But why do I need an opt-in page? Like one of the pages that I'm going to build here, click on Pages, Funnel Detail. After I selected opt-in page, something didn't work there. Add new page. Here we go, choose a template. Here is 1, 2, 3 templates, and then a blank template. And you can see here, these are the templates. Never before seen profit funnel creates free traffic instantly and generates you a 100% hands-free profit. And you can see these are basic opt-in pages. Back to Email to Profits. It has nothing to do with no websites, no BS traffic, no Facebook ads, no Google PPC, no hosting, no writing articles, no YouTube, no social media, no digital marketing, no CPA, no MMO, no solo ads. So where does the traffic come from? It comes from scraping emails off of the internet after you set up your Google API key, but then they give you a funnel builder to build an opt-in page. Why do you need an opt-in page if this is automatically building an email list for you? Because to use an opt-in page, what do you need? That's right, you need traffic, and this does not provide you traffic. All this does is scrape emails once you set up your Google API key. Then, of course, after you set up your funnel and create the pages that they said you don't need because this is going to build all the email lists for you, they have the upgrades to the premium edition, the done for you funnel, the infinitive sequences, and of course a link to support, which if you click that link, it opens up your email and sends an email to brandonmacedesk@gmail.com. Also note that after you purchase Email to Profits, if you were to buy this, you're going to be offered an upsell where you're going to be able to unlock unlimited for 1,000x more buyers, because the front end of this product is apparently limited. So you will need to unlock the rest of the features here once you purchase Email to Profits, so you don't have any limitations to the software. Again, any of the limitations of this software, when it comes back to clicking search emails, setting up your Google API key to scrape the internet for emails. And again, remember, what is email scraping? It's email harvesting or scraping, which is the process of obtaining a list of email addresses using various methods, which are typically used for bulk email or spam. So you want to know my opinion on Email to Profits? My opinion is based on building my own email list in various niches using real traffic methods, is to ignore this. Do not waste your money. Do not waste your time. Thumbs down, skip it, hard pass. This is not the method that you want to try to build a real business on. If you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and learn how to do it for free, there is a link in the description. You can click on that. Sign up for a free 12-step action plan. Pass on this 30-minute timer right here in the middle of the screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the video you see here. Click that, watch it. Look forward to see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.